Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about tuples in Python. Let's start our class. Tuples in Python are a type of data structure that allows you to store an ordered collection of items. Unlike lists, tuples are immutable, which means once you create a tuple, you cannot change its contents. Use cases of tuples. Fixed collections. Tuples are often used to store collections of items that should not change throughout the program. Multiple return values. Functions can return multiple values using tuples. Dictionary keys. Tuples can use it as keys in dictionaries because they are immutable. Let's see a Python program to demonstrate tuples.